Now let's just discuss question number 4. Question number 4 is your company plans to migrate all on-premise data to Azure. You need to identify whether Azure complies with the company's regional requirement. What should you do? In this question, we are actually migrating all of our data, means we would be worried about the bit of the regional compliance, right? That data about my clients is going to be bit regional. I need to follow the regional compliances here. So I want to make sure that Azure is following those compliance. So where we can look for these details, right? So I'm going to show you the 4 options. A, Knowledge Center. B, Azure Marketplace. C, My Apps Portal. D, Trust Center. So there is no such point to highlight in this question, which will be helping out to you to find out the answers. Rather, you should be knowing about these different options. That is going to help you to find out the answer here. So A, Knowledge Center. So Knowledge Center is a place where you will be getting very common answer regarding your questions. You could be asking a question about the SQL database, a web app. Those answers, very common answers, you will find in your Knowledge Center. Then we have the B, Azure Marketplace. So Marketplace is a place where you will be finding out about the resource, that what resource are available on the Azure and which one you want to deploy. Then we have the My Apps Portal. In the My Apps Portal, we are going to get an interface where we will be seeing that what are all the apps that are assigned to us or being used by us. So your admin have given you the access to the 4 or 5 apps. So when you will be logging in, you will be finding these are all the apps that are allowed for you. You want to add some new apps, you will be adding them to the My Apps Portal. Then there is your option D, which is the Trust Center, which will be helping you to find out that whether or not the Azure is following your regional compliances. So answer for this is going to be your Trust Center, right? So what is your Trust Center, right? If you have seen the Trust Center, actually Windows or Microsoft has launched this one to give its customer the bit of easier access to the page where they can tell them that these are the compliances which we are following, and if you have any doubt, you can come and take a look into that. So let me just show you that particular Trust Center page. So this is your Azure Trust Center. Here, if you want to know about the security, what are the privacy, and if you want to know about the privacy or you want to know about the compliance, you can visit this page and you can just easily find out about any of the thing. If you're worried about the privacy, that how the data is being collected, what is happening with your data, so you can look for the privacy. If you want, you are a bit worried about the security, you will be looking into the security end. And if you will be looking for the compliance, you will be going to the compliance here, right? In this question, we are talking about the compliance. So you can click on the compliance. You can download their white paper, the option here. You want to check the compliance offering, audit report, compliance, shared responsibility, right? These 3 options are here. I want to check the compliance offering. I will click on this button and I can easily visit that what are the compliances. Regional compliances are on this end, what are being followed by the Microsoft, and this is, I think, especially for the Azure. So you can check those things out here in the Trust Center as well. So this was your answer to the question number 4, which is the Trust Center. Okay, so thank you for joining us today in the AZ-900, which is your Azure Fundamental Certification questions, right? Wishing you all very best of luck. Hope all of you are going to clear Azure Fundamental Exam. Thank you.